Let's take you straight now to West Bengal, where massive clashes have erupted between BJP workers and the police in the Siliguri area of North Bengal. A BJP worker has died during clashes in the protest. This after the BJP had organized a march to protest against what it calls lawlessness in Mamta's state. But the march quickly depleted into chaos with stone pelting and the police using water cannons and tear gas shells on BJP youth wing workers. Senior BJP leaders Kailash Vijayvargiya, Dilip Ghosh and Lok Sabha MP from Karnataka Tejasvi Surya were leading the march in Siliguri.
आज भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चे पश्चिम बंगाल की शाखा ने उत्तर बंगाल में भाई तेजस्वी और सुमित्र खान के नेतृत्व में शांतिपूर्ण प्रदर्शन किया, प्रजातांत्रिक तरीके से प्रदर्शन किया। किंतु ममता जी की सरकार ने जिस प्रकार अराजकता और गुंडागिर्दी देखी गई, निश्चित रूप से प्रजातंत्र की हत्या है। एक शांतिपूर्ण जुलूस जिसमें महिला कार्यकर्ता भी हो, उनके ऊपर लाठीचार्ज करना, उनके ऊपर आंसू गैस के गोले फेंकना, उनके ऊपर टीएमसी के गुंडों ने बम फेंके और इस प्रकार अराजकता फैलाई। पुलिस का पथराव करते हुए, बम फेंकते हुए फोटो हमारे पास है, वीडियो हमारे पास है।
उधर बहुत सारे पुलिस लोग पत्थर मार रहे हैं और उनके साथ जो टीएमसी के गुंडे हैं वो भी मिलकर कंट्री बॉम्ब फेंक रहे हैं। ये लोकतंत्र की डे लाइट में मर्डर हो रही है, इसको हम सब मिलकर बचाना है, यही युवा मोर्चा के संकल्प है।
Manogya Loiva live with me from Medinipur, West Bengal. Manogya, you've been tracking, the spiraling hostilities between the Trinamool and the BJP very, very closely. And these are some of the most dramatic scenes we are seeing now, just 6 months before the elections. This looks like, like we keep discussing here, Manogya, the tone that has been set between the two parties in the run-up to this election.
Well, tone and tenor both have been set, and it remains to be seen how and where it goes to one after the other. There are democratic protests that have been happening across the country, but this time, of course, an iron fist and iron hand by the Mamata Banerjee government on the ground in North Bengal itself speak volumes about what has been happening. Remember, there have been protests that have been done in Kolkata earlier last month, and now in Uttar Kanya. That means in North Bengal against several policies as well as the mismanagement allegations against the state government. But this, what you've seen today, and the allegations by BJP in days to come, one after the other, of course, Kailash Vijayvargiya, BJP Bengal in charge, tweeting, stating that they have seen themselves, the people behind the police and cops. Now, these are all allegations and they do happen in the political front. The government of West Bengal at any point of time will be ensuring that all sorts of security measures are done to protect the government property as well as the offices. But here, it's more of a political battle than anything else.
A political battle indeed, and these are scenes I'm afraid we're going to have to in many ways get used to, because that's the way it's going to play out in Bengal, I suspect. Manogya, be safe. Thank you very much for joining me here on 5 Live.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.